Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to be taking you through a back workout. I started off with ring pull-ups, which is one of my favorite because it's most challenging. I had 2 sets with my palms facing out, and then I did the last 2 sets with my palms facing in. I usually do about 4 sets, and then I just go until I can't go anymore because I know, pull-ups are a little hard. So I definitely just push myself to do as many as possible. After the ring pull-ups, I jumped straight into a superset and I did basically a different variation of the pull-ups. I did a wide grip pull down and then went right into a low V grip row. I like to do that just because I feel like it's still targeting my lats. It's just a little bit of a different variation. And so I like to switch up my hand grip with that one. I usually do 4 sets and about 8 to 10 reps with both the lat pull downs and the V grip rows. To V-grip rows, and I like to stand a little bit further away so I can really get that stretch. And this is basically more of like a low pull, and I take it right to my belly button and have my elbows a little bit closer to my torso. Next up, we're moving on to incline dumbbell rows, and we're going to be focusing on a neutral grip with this one and really focus on your lats. I like to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Keep my head neutral, and I have my hands neutral, and I kind of bring it down. I bring it back lower, and I squeeze almost as if I want my elbows to touch each other. Lastly, we're going to do kind of an interesting exercise. It's actually a machine and it's called a lying prone row. This one is extremely hard. Basically, get as many as you can. I do 3 sets and I had my grip a little bit different. They have some neutral grip already welded on that machine, but I like to play around. So with this one, I did a pronated grip.
I remember days they used to laugh at me. Used to show them on my record something casually. Used to say it was a passion on my path to be. Then they told me that I couldn't, so I had to be. Tell me what they really think about it now. Used to hate it, but I guarantee they're proud. Had to do it just to show them that I could, yeah. Now I finally think I took it where I should, yeah. Had a joke's on you and now you're on and laughing. I did a whole lot of winning. Look, it came from a passion. I see a whole lot of no ones I could see out in public, and they may think a lot of things, man. At least think something. Now you the judge, and now tell me where you ended up. Yeah. Look, I bet it was a simple job. Yeah. Look, I went and took a different route. Yeah. Look, that's why my life is different now. Back in my feelings. Look, when I wasn't so gifted, and I was learning to do this, and all I heard were the critics, and I don't blame you for that shit. Look, I was way out the basis, but I just needed some talent so I could wait the greatness. Oh yeah.
All right, that wraps up our back workout. I hope you all are really enjoying these workout series, and I'll see you in a couple of days.